In this video, we are discussing about ascent of series through cyanide method. And in this cyanide method, this is a general steps you need to follow. Reactant is converted into alkyl halide. Alkyl halide reacted with KCN to give RCN. This RCN, depending upon our requirement. Suppose this RCN is treated with sodium and ethyl alcohol. This undergo reduction reaction, and here RCN is converted into amines. RCN is converted into amines, that is RNH2. CN is converted into here NH2, RNH2, right? And this amine further reacted with HNO2 and gives alcohol. Amines further reacted with HNO2 gives alcohol. Suppose this cyanide undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of concentrated acids, and it will give carboxylic acids. It gives carboxylic acids. Okay, so while you are solving conversions, this general method you have to write. Okay, by using this, we will solve few examples. Now example, methanol is converted into ethanol. So methanol having one carbon atom, whereas ethanol having two carbon atoms. Okay, now here you have to increase the carbon compound with one carbon atom. Okay, to do this you have to follow this general method. First ethanol, CH3OH, ethanol converted into alkyl halide. Ethanol is converted into alkyl halide. Okay, this is a reactant converted into alkyl halide. So common method is phosphorus in the presence of iodine. Phosphorus in the presence of iodine, it converted into CH3I, methyl iodide. Now this is a alkyl halide. This alkyl halide treated with KCN. The alkyl halide treated with KCN, as we have written in the general method, that converted into CH3CN, methyl cyanide. Right, now this methyl cyanide, okay, what we need to convert one form of alcohol into another form of alcohol. One form of alcohol into another form of alcohol. Then here we need to product, so we need to convert it into alcohol. We need to convert into alcohol means we have to follow this steps. We need to follow these steps. Then you have to treat it with sodium and ethyl alcohol, C2H5O. Sodium and ethyl alcohol, it undergoes reduction reaction. It gives CH3CH2NH2. Right. See, now next step, this is amine. Amines, right? Amines again reacted with HNO2. Reacted with HNO2, amines are converted into. So whenever you are using nitrous acid, so this NH2 group replaced by OH group. NH2 group is replaced by OH group, then to convert into CH3CH2OH. Okay, now we got your final product. So methanol is converted into ethanol. Okay, second example, methyl iodide is converted into ethyl iodide. So here also one carbon we have to increase, right? So already here alkyl halide is given. So when alkyl halide is given, then we can start the reaction from here. From here you can start the reaction. Now alkyl halide CH3I reacted with KCN, and it will give CH3CN. Right, now we need to increase the carbon atoms. So first we have to convert them into amines. So reacted with sodium and ethyl alcohol, this is converted into CH3CH2NH2, converted into amines. This amine has to be converted into alcohol. Amines are converted into alcohol by using HNO2. Okay, when you are using HNO2, this NH2 group is replaced by OH group, CH3CH2OH. Right, now this OH group, now here alcohol we got, right? Now what we required, methyl iodide converted to ethyl iodide. Okay, so ethanol we got. Now conversion into alkyl halide is very easy. Now you have to use in the presence of light or in the presence of red phosphorus. Okay, you can use general most common method, red phosphorus. Okay, so here we have used red phosphorus in the presence of I2, converted into CH3 CH2I. So ethyl iodide. Okay, methyl iodide is converted into ethyl iodide. Okay, next example. Here, in third example, formic acid is converted to ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Okay, so first this is a reactant has to convert into alkyl halide. When reactant is converted into alkyl halide HCOOH, okay, it is very difficult to convert into alkyl halide direct step. Okay, so we need to follow one more step here, that is reduction step. Then by using LiAlH4 lithium aluminum hydride, acid is converted into alcohol. Okay, by using this acid is converted into alcohol. Okay, now this alcohol in the presence of red phosphorus and iodine converted into alkyl halide CH3I. This alkyl halide treated with KCN, it is converted into CH3CN. CH3CN. Now look at here. CH3CN further undergo reduction step in the presence of sodium and ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol converted into CH3 CH2 NH2 amine. Okay, now this amine further in the presence of, see what we need to convert, acid we need to convert, right? So here what we got, amine, right? So this amine converted into alcohol, then alcohol further undergoes see in the presence of HNO2 CH3 CH2OH alcohol. This alcohol is converted into CH3COOH by oxidation method. By using PCC you can convert acid. This is a lengthy process. Okay, but how can we create in shortcut method? In shortcut method, see you can go like this also, or you can go by this method also. Here cyanide is there. This cyanide in the presence of concentrated acid undergoes hydrolysis converted into CH3COOH. Okay, students, you can convert from here to this to this step, or you can use this step also. Okay, there are various methods are there to convert into acids. Next example.